Randall here with Hollyland Technologies here at Markertek in the good old Saugerties, New York. Thanks for coming out and checking us out today. I want to talk to you about Hollyland. Again, my name is Randall Stewart. I work as the field application engineer here on the U.S. soil. Everything's made in Shenzhen, China. That's where these things come from. And that's what I'm going to dive into is on our new video line. This is called the Pyro H, is this specific version, but the whole line is going to be called the Pyro. So all you fire lovers out there, get ready. But what we're going to do with this is going to have a few more upgrades compared to what the original Mars used to have, and that Mars is going to actually go away because we're going to upgrade it with this. But the biggest thing that we have on these is that it's going to do the crossover aspect. You're going to get 2.4 to and also 5 gigs range, so it'll have a crossover dual band aspect that you can send over from, and this will actually up us to 4 hard receivers if we want them. So rather than just doing the 2 that we used to have previously and or 4 apps, you can now do 4 receivers or 4 apps or 2 and 2 or whatever you need to, right? So if you're just doing 2 receivers, you get 1,300 feet of range. If you go to the 4 receivers, you're getting 650 feet of range. Great item in that case. Again, being able to send back and forth. I need director's monitors, all that good stuff. Very well for that. You're also going to get about 60 milliseconds of latency though. So if you're shooting at 60 frames, that's just under 4 frames. If you're shooting at 30, you're just under 2 frames. So just be aware of that. There is a little latency, but again, most people don't care about that in that case for that. And the other fun thing is on the receiver side, you also have a USB-C out right here, and that's going to then give us the ability to take the audio and send it in as a live stream if I want to into my computer or wherever else. And the fun on that is that now I have a 1,300-foot tether non-cable to be on a live stream camera if I want to, which I really enjoy. Yeah, so that's the Pyro H. Go check it out on markertek.com.